Hi ladies, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to find your wig vendors. First, you're going to go ahead and open up Google and go to Alibaba.com. When Google pull up the results, your computer may prompt you to allow your location. You're going to go to Alibaba official website. This is where you are going to find all of your suppliers. One thing that you need to know is that these are the people who actually make the lace wigs. They are located in China, Korea, and different places like that. And this is the official website. You're going to go to your search menu. You will begin seeing lace results come up. You're going to type in lace front HD wigs, or you can say lace bundles, lace closure. When everything comes up, you will start to see results pop up. You're going to scroll through and kind of see something that you may like. Different wigs. Understand that some of these companies are not all honest, so you have to make sure that you contact a company that's going to give you what you need. To the left side of the website, you will see supplier features, and I always like to do verified suppliers just so that I have security that this company knows what they're doing and how long they have been in business, and it helps, make me more secure. From here on the left side, you can also choose where your supplier is located. Understand that just because your supplier is located in another country, that doesn't mean that they're a scam. You just have to understand that majority of the products that are made, they are made in these foreign countries. Keep in mind that whenever you are considering contacting your supplier, understand that you may not get a response right away, only because they are on a different time zone than we are. If you're in the US, China is on a 12-hour time difference. So you may want to go ahead and create your account. You will go to the top and you will join for free. You must have an account to contact your supplier. So you're going to fill in all of the fields here as listed. You are a buyer. You can select your country, wherever you are, but we are in the US and you are a buyer. You will not be selling on this site, okay? Because you're not a supplier, you're a buyer. Then you're going to put in your email. I highly recommend that you use a business email for this, because I notice with a lot of emails that are like Gmail, Yahoo, they tend to get flagged. So you want to create a password that you can remember, and then put in your actual company name. These companies that are on Alibaba, they are actual suppliers, and they are very iffy about who they choose to communicate with. Sometimes they're going to ask you questions about your business, and then you're going to put in your full name. They want to know who you are. Like, you want to give your actual information. You don't have to make any fake accounts with this, okay? Use your real information. Put in your contact number so that they can reach you directly. Some suppliers will contact you directly to your phone if they can't reach you, and then you will hit verify. After your account has been created, you are now ready to contact your supplier. I'm going to take this first one for instance. So right here, you're going to go in and kind of analyze the products that they have, and you can kind of see what they offer. Check out the reviews, the stars. These are actual people that's buying from the supplier. Go in, watch the videos, do all of the research on this company, and then all you have to do is just contact that specific company. I do recommend that you contact more than one, just so that you can see how to price compare and everything. You want to get more for your money whenever you're doing this. And understand that when you are dealing with Alibaba, the shipping is going to cost you some money depending on what it is that you're buying. So the best thing for you to do is buy more of the product than to just buy one. You can request samples if you like. You can do all of that. Just look through everything, see how long they have been in business, how long they have been doing this, and you can go through everything. Go to the company profile, just kind of research this company that you're looking for. Again, making sure that they are verified is going to show you so much reputable reputation that they have. You want to go in and look at when they started. Make sure that it wasn't a company that just started. You want to do all of the detail work, because one thing I do know is if you buy something, it's hard to, and it's very expensive to send that stuff back to this company. So try to do as much research as possible. You're going to visit their store. They do have many other products than just one under the topic that you have searched. So if you're looking for lace wigs, when you contact that company, ask them the different type of laces that they offer, because there is a huge difference between HD lace, invisible lace, brown lace. There's different types of lace that you can use whenever you are doing lace, period. Like, you have to know the anatomy of the lace and the difference whenever you're getting it. So go through and look at everything the company has and make your decision from there. So when you go in to contact this supplier, you are going to go down to the box and say send the supplier a message. There is where you will start your conversation with your supplier. Whenever you communicate with your supplier, you have to understand that you are talking to someone with a foreign language. So you have to basically know what it is that you want, know the quantity of what you want. You have to approach this with the intention of knowing what you want, because they are Chinese and or Vietnamese, whoever your supplier is. They do not understand the English lingo. So you have to say, for example, if you're looking for a body wave lace frontal wig HD, write out in clear letters HD body wave lace wig 13 by 4. Okay, if you're looking for a 13 by 6, you will say 13 by 6, because they only know what the product is and they can't read your mind to know what it is that you want. So you don't have to say, write out a long detailed message. Just basically say, I would like to know the price of body wave XYZ, and you write it in simple, even if you have to space down and write out specifically what it is, and then you will say the inch. You want to make sure that whenever you're doing this, put down every single detail, and this will help speed up the process. So I hope that this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll get back to you. And I'm going to make sure that I provide more videos that's going to help you guys get this money. This is a quick way to get your lace wigs and to help bring in more money in the salon.